Hello, Mike the Boiler Man here again. Right, today I've been over to the Royal Woolwich Arsenal in the East End of London to fix a range Powermax 155X. I've done a separate video on the actual fault that I repaired that was stopping it lighting, but while I was there I noticed, and the customer asked me to fix a leak on the flow switch which turns the hot water pump on when a hot tap is opened. Very common problem. First of all, I removed the flow switch from the boiler. Here it is here, photograph here. And then having taken it out, the little hooky tool, like a dentist's instrument, to actually remove the old embrittled and hard O-ring, photograph here, and then fit the new O-ring, which is all soft and squidgy, and then put the flow switch back in its pipe. A very simple repair, but if you don't have the O-ring that's the right size, then the only other way of fixing this is to buy a whole new flow switch, which costs 140 quid or thereabouts. So the O-rings that I keep in stock do save quite an expensive part being fitted unnecessarily. So there we are. That's a simple fix for a very common problem for a Powermax 155X or any of the other Powermaxes with a flow switch. Well, there's not that many. There's only one other with a flow switch, actually, the 140. So there we are. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching. If you need your Powermax fixing, give me a call on my mobile or send me a text. The number is 07866 766 364, or you can find my contact details on my website, miketheboilerman.com, or click on the link to my website, miketheboilerman.com, in the information section just below this video. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.